Welcome to the installation of Fishbone Off-Road's Cowl light bracket for the 2020 to current JT Gladiator. Step 1. If your vehicle has aftermarket parts installed onto the cowl, remove those. Otherwise, with the T40 Torx bit, remove the two top bolts from the cowl. Step 2. Place the cowl light bracket over the bolt holes so that the slotted bracket points towards the center of the vehicle. Secure it by replacing the T40 Torx bolts. Repeat on the opposite side, and you're done. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road Cowl light bracket.